What's up guys, Respector here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to delete custom search. This is very annoying when this extension, I don't think it was meant to stay, but the person or the virus that adds the extension and makes it so that it's recognized as an organization. When it's recognized as an organization, you can't delete the custom search, and it's basically a virus. But I got it. I'm going to show you how to do it. I did not add it back onto my computer because I don't want to be able to, I don't want the organization to find a way around it. But anyways, you can see, I used to have it so that, hello.com, I don't want that. See, I'm at Google, I'm not on Microsoft Bing or nothing like that, like custom search would do, so that's good. So let's get right into the video. So first of all, open up your registry editor. When it says this, you can click yes. I think my screen went black there for a second because OBS didn't capture that. But so go to HK local machine, software, Google, wherever that is, Google, Chrome, and then extensions. Alright, so when you see extensions, you'll have an extra thing. I think it starts with a D or something, but there'll be something right here. That's what I had. So what you want to do is you want to delete that. It might say that it's important, but it's really not. If you delete that, that deletes custom search too. And then you should be able, like this, you should be able to just search. I have no idea what I just searched, but here, but the thing about this, if we go to extensions, you see that it's gone. It's like not there. Although I did this on my other computer, and it still said the browser is managed by an organization, but custom search wasn't there, so that was good, so I was fine with it. But if I find out how to make it not get around the managed by the organization thing, I'll make a video on that, but for now I don't know how to. It doesn't say that because this is the computer that didn't get the virus. This computer didn't, but since it's on the same account as the computer that did, it got affected in the same way. And yeah, so yeah, if you go to extensions, you can see custom search isn't there, but you will see managed by an organization. On my other computer it said that. I hope you enjoyed this video, hope it helped you. If this did not help you, I have a few other ways you can try to do this, but please, if this did not help you, please comment it that it did not work, because I really appreciate the support. But if it did work, please let me know and leave a like in the video. Thank you and have a nice day.